Good morning, students. We are going to start the new lecture number 9, class 12th ISC, and the topic is minimum guaranteed profit. When a partner guarantees a minimum profit to another partner, then it is termed as minimum guaranteed profit. For an example, there are partners A, B, and C, and A guarantees C a minimum profit of 20,000 and the profit of the firm is 50,000 and PSR is 2:2:1. So that profit of 50,000 will be divided in 2:2:1. So A will get 20,000, B will get 20,000 and C will get 10,000. But A has guaranteed a minimum profit of 20,000 to C. So A will give his share, out of his share 10,000 to C. That is minimum guaranteed profit. कि कम से कम C का प्रॉफिट 20,000 होना था. But in my example, C was getting only 10,000. So A, who has promised for the minimum guaranteed profit, will pay the deficiency of 10,000 to C. Okay, so this is the concept. Now we'll make this concept more clear with the help of the question. Here is the question on your mobile screen. X, Y and Z are partners and their capital is given 4 lakh, 3 lakh and 2 lakh. Okay, and interest is 8% on their capital and PSR is 3:2:1. And C, X has guaranteed Z. देखो X ने कहा है Z को कि भैया Z का प्रॉफिट विल बी 50,000. ओके, एटलीस्ट 50,000. ओके, ज़्यादा हो गया तो कोई बात नहीं, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेक फ्रॉम Z. बट इफ इट इज लेस देन द deficit amount will be paid by X to Z. Okay sir, so drawings are given and we have to make the profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account, and the profit for the year is 2,52,000. okay, just go through the question. We are heading towards the solution. Okay, here is the solution. The profit is given to us 2,52,000. You can see now this interest is paid to the partners on their capital. See, here is the calculation. 8% on their capital, so X, Y, Z's interest is calculated. See in the working note. Then how the profit is distributed? See, when we'll pay the interest out of this profit, so the remaining amount will be 1,80,000 and this 1,80,000 will be divided in the ratio 3:2:1 as given on your mobile screen. So according to that, X will get 90,000, Y will get 60,000 and Z will get 30,000. But since X has guaranteed Z a minimum profit of 50,000, so X will bear this deficiency, okay, and will pay to Z. So you can see out of 90,000, 20,000 will be paid to Z because he was guaranteed a minimum profit of 50,000. So X share will be now 70,000, Y's will remain same 60 and Z's will be 50,000. okay, see on your mobile screen. And this profit is being shown here as well, 60,000 and 50,000. okay, you can check. So this is the concept of guarantee of minimum share of profit. Is this clear? सर हाँ, आपने यहाँ ईयर मेंशन नहीं किया फॉर द ईयर एंडेड. बच्चों आपको मेंशन करना है वैसे इस क्वेश्चन में दे नहीं रखा था इसलिए मैंने नहीं लिखा, लेकिन आपको लिखना है. यू हैव टू राइट दिस फॉर द ईयर एंडेड 31st March and then year you will leave because year is not mentioned in the question. Okay sir. Now we will move on to one more question so that our concept is crystal clear. Here is the question now, but before going on to question we have to do the capital account. So here is the capital account. Balance of the capital is given and interest we have calculated in profit and loss appropriation account, and this is the profit which is to be given to the partners X, Y and Z. Drawings are there, so we'll total this. Column credit side 5,02,000 minus 50,000, so the remaining amount will be 4,52,000. Same way 3,84,000 minus 40,000, the remaining will be 3,44,000. And similarly for Z, okay, we have to subtract this 2,66,000 minus 35,000, so it will be 2,37,000. Is this clear? So that is balancing figure. I hope this is clear to you. Partners capital account. हाँ सर हो गया clear. So we move on to the next question. Here is the next question. So the next question, A, B and C are partners and their PSR is 3:2:1. Fixed capital are given. See, capital, fixed capital are given to you. So that means we have to prepare partners current account. बिल्कुल ठीक. So A's capital is 3 lakh, B's 4,50,000, C's capital is 10 lakh. A has given his personal office to the firm and he is charging the rent at a rate of 1,50,000 per year. So this will be treated in profit and loss account because it's an indirect expense. Yeah sir, yeah, it's not an appropriation. बिल्कुल ठीक. Very good बच्चों. Now interest on capital is 8% and interest on drawing is 10%. A is allowed a salary and B is allowed a commission 10% as shown by profit and loss appropriation account, and the C is guaranteed a minimum profit of 30,000 आफ्टर मेकिंग ऑल एडजस्टमेंट. के बाद उसका हिस्सा कितना होना चाहिए? 3 लाख. अगर नहीं हुआ तो कौन देगा? सर ए और बी देंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि ये मेंशन नहीं है कि किसने गारंटी किया है, बस ये पता है कि सी को मिलेगा 3 लाख. बिल्कुल ठीक. किस रेशो में मिलेगा डेफिशिएंसी? सर PSR में, यानी ए एंड बी विल पे टू सी इन 1:2. शाबाश बच्चों. So we will move on to the solution, and here's the drawings given. Now we will move on to the solution. Here's the solution on your mobile screen, but before this solution we are going to working note to calculate the exact figures. So the profit was given to us 10,30,000 and rent of business premises will be reduced 50,000. So the profit as per P&L account will be 8,80,000. So you can also prepare profit and loss account if you want. Otherwise in this manner also you can do, because it's an indirect profit. Rent of business premises is not an appropriation, it's an indirect expense. Very good. Now B's commission was 10 by 110 because it was inclusive and it is charged on profit as per P&L account. It is given in the question, you can see the point. So the B's commission will be 80,000. Okay, now so B's commission is clear to you. Now interest on drawings, A was withdrawing 5,000 in the beginning of every month, so 60,000 total drawing, and this 6.5 because it is in the beginning of every month. And the same way B was withdrawing 5,000 at the end of every month. So the time period will be 5.5. Okay, and C was withdrawing the beginning of each quarter, so the time period will be 7.5. Okay, I hope this time period is clear to you. I have already explained this in the lecture number 5, 4 or 5, I don't know, that is interest on drawing. You can go through that lecture. So this is the amount of drawings. Okay, and this distribution of profit I'll show you later, but these three figures, see here, this is 8,80,000 we have calculated, 8,80,000. Okay, this is 8,80,000. Then interest on drawings is given to you. We have just now calculated. It will be treated on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. As you know, interest on drawings on the debit side of profit and loss account. Here it is. A's salary, A was withdrawing 12,000 per month, so the salary for the year is 1,20,000, and B's commission we have just calculated in the working note. So the net profit will be, divisible profit will be 5,52,000. How we have calculated? 8,92,000 minus 3,40,000. So the remaining amount is 5,52,000, and it is divided into, in which ratio? In their PSR, and according to that, A will get 92,000, B will get 1,84,000, and C will get 2,76,000. But the minimum guaranteed profit was 3 lakh, isn't it? 3 lakh was to be paid to C. So this the deficiency of 24,000 will be borne by whom? A and B. In which ratio? 1:2, isn't it? Because C was guaranteed a minimum profit of 3 lakh, and that is short by 24,000. So this 24,000 is divided in the ratio 1:2. See, 8,000 will be taken from A, and B will pay 16,000, and C will get additional 24,000 to make his profit 3 lakh. Okay, you can see in the working note. Take a screenshot of this solution. See, here is the distribution of profit. 5,52,000 this A, B, C will get, and this the remaining amount will be given by A and B. So the profit of A will be 84,000, B will be 1,68,000, C will be 3 lakh. Okay, now we will move on to the partners current account, because their partners capital were fixed. So we'll make the current account. Here it is, current account. You know how to make the current account. So in the credit side, by A's rent, because A has given his office to the business firm, so is charging, it will be treated in the partners capital account. Then interest on capital, 24,000, 36,000, 80,000. This we have calculated all these figures. See, this is partners current account. Don't write capital, it will be a mistake. And I have not written the balance of capital C. Now we'll total this side, then we'll subtract this 60,000 and drawings from this point and this. So this will be the balancing figure. Balancing figure. You know it, how to balance the account. Okay, is this point clear to you, students? So this is 3,78,000, 3,78,000 total. Okay, this is 2,84,000, and out of this 60,000 was drawing and interest on drawings. So this is balancing figure. These are balancing figure. Is this point clear to you, students? I hope you enjoy this lecture. We will move on to the drawing. We have completed drawings, interest. So all the major topics are covered up to now. Journal entries are remaining, that I will tell you in the next lecture. Bye bye from now. Take care and have a good day.